I got off the wagon a little bit. This is day 20, let's say, in my journey, scaling my contracting websites and automations agency back to $10,000 a month. I've hit it before, but it wasn't consistent, and now I'm trying to scale to $10,000 a month consistently. It's been like 6 days since I had a video. My last video was a little bit depressing. Since then, my girlfriend and I broke up. That's bad, obviously. However, now we're getting a little bit more clarity. Things are coming back to real life here. So we closed the client, and then we closed another client, and then we upsold that client. And then I just got off a call from another client who I was about to skip that call. It's literally 8:30 p.m. right now on Sunday. I was about to go for dinner that I had at 7 p.m. And then he's like, hey man, sorry I missed your video. Let's jump on a call. I was about to say, nah, let's do it tomorrow. But then I was like, who am I to say that? I don't have enough money right now. I'm trying to scale my business. A warm prospect is replying to his invitation that he sent me. And I'm about to be like, nah man, sorry, I gotta go eat. Eat? Eat? What do you need to eat? You need to eat money. You need to eat calls. That's the only thing that's for dinner is calls. So I got the fuck on that call and we closed. And he's a great connection in the AI space. He's literally where I want to be in like, I would have said in 2 years. If I can have him laying out the path for me, I could probably get to where he is in like a year or less. So realistically, very grateful to have his contact at all. This is like the valley of despair of like, holy shit, it doesn't work anymore. I sent 14 one day. The next day I closed that client. I didn't do any more. I closed another client, upsold him. Actually, this should be an extra 500. We came to some terms of like, okay, he'll pay the second 500 if he likes the website and he gets it approved by his board. And this would be 2786 for that website design and development. Things are back on track. All of a sudden, we're at 5,600 for the month, almost 5,700. April was 0K, or like realistically like 1K probably. May is where we're at right now. We're in the 11th day of May. We're almost at 8K. We're 71% of the way there. So if we can continue this pace up, maybe take on another developer, 3 calls, 100% close rate. This is kind of crazy. And I only sent 50 Loom outreaches. So the number is almost still accurate of closing 7%. No, don't tell me that that's what it is. Dude, we are back to 6% close rate, which is literally on par with the number before. Disregard whatever I said in the last video. I said, I don't know if this number is true anymore. And we're at 6%. 6% of the looms land clients. That number is still true. My apologies, everybody. We are fucking back and let's make it happen. Let's go. Let's go. And now that I'm working with this guy who actually knows all these automations, he's like a massive AI influencer in the automation space. I'm going to be able to automate these things. You know, I've been kind of working on some different automation ideas here, and he gave me his input on these. And so we'll probably be able to straighten those things out as well. Okay, I'll leave you at that. Check in. I'll record another video probably tomorrow, realistically, because now I'm feeling better. Like, we're back, you know? Juices are flowing. Things work again. We don't need my girlfriend, do we? We didn't need those. Why do you need a girlfriend when you got a $7,000 a month business? We're getting there. We're getting there. We're getting there. We're getting there. All right. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. Peace.